Tesla, electric car company or green energy company? Is Elon Musk, its founder and CEO, an absolute genius, or is he a few sandwiches short of a picnic? Have they already won the race for full self-driving versus their competition or not? In this video, I'll give you the answer to just one of those questions, but perhaps the most important, does Tesla have the upper hand? Spoiler alert, the answer is yes, and we'll see why by analyzing the 5 key takeaways from their recent AI Day. My name is Arif, and you are watching the Artificial Intelligence channel, where we delve into all topics around AI, intelligent automation, and robotics. If these are topics that are of interest to you, please consider subscribing to this channel. Now, let's get into Tesla with a little bit of help from some more AI, Synthesia.
Today, we will take a look at Tesla's recent AI Day and understand what the top 5 key takeaways were. Firstly, 3D modeling and how to create vector space. Secondly, live data and how the fleet can provide on-demand examples. Thirdly, simulation for what-if scenarios. Then, the one I am most excited about, the Dojo supercomputer. And finally, of course, the headline-grabbing Tesla bot.
Firstly, Tesla showed their secret sauce of taking camera data and building an internal representation in 3D of the world around the car. They showed techniques of combining information from multiple cameras first before processing the image, combining data from multiple cars driving around the same route to enhance their models, and this allows them to build this rich 3D world that the car operates in. The labeling of the data, something that's always crucial in any machine learning project, actually takes place in the 3D model or vector space, which I've never seen before. Far more efficient and far quicker. The next thing they showed really blew my mind and made me view Tesla's car fleet differently. They talked about wanting to improve the system performance around driving in poor weather conditions, so they asked the fleet to collect and provide examples. They were able to get 10,000 clips from their fleet and label it using advanced auto-labeling techniques all within 1 week. This allowed them to retrain their models on that specific scenario and get better results, as you can see here, where the car is still able to be detected despite the snow. Think about that for a moment. Every single Tesla car is actually a data collector and gatherer that can be called on demand. So powerful. The third key highlight was Tesla's selective use of simulation. Firstly, I want to stress that the primary source of Tesla's data is real-world data. However, they can use simulation for the following scenarios. Firstly, if it's a rare scenario. And secondly, what-if type scenarios when they want to see what would happen if something was added to a real-world driving problem. Tesla have built an amazingly complex and rich platform. They could probably sell this alone as the most realistic driving game there is out there. This gives them the advantage of not having to encounter every single scenario. But wait, one of Tesla's main rivals, Waymo, which was formerly part of Google, also uses elements of auto-labeling and simulation to train its AI. So does Tesla really have an advantage here? Yes, they do, is the answer. Firstly, they have the fleet out there collecting data. They have full self-driving being tested by users right now. If that full self-driving behaves in an unexpected way, the data is sent back to Tesla with the press of a touchscreen button. Very powerful. On Tesla AI Day, they also revealed what for me is their main secret weapon, an AI supercomputer built completely in-house by Tesla. Meet the Dojo supercomputer. Now, the architecture of a processor gets pretty technical, but I'll summarize it by saying it's many times faster than anything else out there at the moment. It's developed by Tesla completely themselves. It's also designed from the ground up to accelerate machine learning, which is a cornerstone of what you need for full self-driving. This alone gives Tesla the edge over its rivals, but combine this with all the elements that I've already mentioned in this video, and they are miles ahead in my opinion and accelerating away from the rest of the pack. Tesla's tech is flying so fast ahead that they are, as is the way with Elon and Tesla, setting their heights on something much higher, the Tesla bot. Now, this is where I'm going to throw a load of cold water on this particular topic. I do not believe that Tesla is any way close to having anything like the Tesla bot, even in their labs. The reason for this is directly related to what we have just seen in terms of autonomous driving. They have a fleet already out there. They are watching how humans drive in the real world, collecting data. They have internal models, representations of the world that are being actively labeled. They have years and years of experience in this space, and they've iterated it many times over the same problems and improved. For the Tesla bot, they have none of that. They have no data of what my home looks like internally. They have no data about the pavements around my home, no representation of what the inside of a shop near me looks like. So, how could they possibly get a Tesla bot to go to the shops for me? What was the point of the Tesla bot then? For me, it was about exciting and inspiring and motivating AI enthusiasts to join Tesla and get to work on problems like these. There's nothing wrong with that, but that's how it should be seen.
Thanks for taking the time to watch this video on the Artificial Intelligence channel. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more AI-related content. Until next time, peace.